In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Argentina Steam account. Before we begin, an important note: using tools to disguise your location or to access regional pricing can violate Steam's terms of service and may lead to purchase restrictions or even permanent account loss. Because of that, I won't be walking you through methods that misrepresent your location. Instead, I'll show you how to set up a Steam account correctly and explain how region settings work if you legitimately live in Argentina or relocate there. Start by heading to the official Steam website. Click on Login. Then choose Join Steam to create a new account. Use a fresh email address that you control, set a strong unique password, and complete the human verification. Steam will send a confirmation message. Open your inbox and verify your email to activate the account. Next, download and install the Steam desktop app. Then sign in with your new credentials. Once you are signed in, secure your account. Turn on Steam Guard and add the mobile authenticator so you get a code each time you sign in. This simple step dramatically reduces the chance of unauthorized access and protects your library and purchases. Now, about regional pricing and currency. Steam typically detects your location based on your actual residence and the billing address of your payment method. If you legitimately reside in Argentina, the store will reflect local regional pricing automatically when you browse and during checkout. Sometimes the interface may display USD, but the amounts you pay will still follow the correct regional pricing once your location and billing method align. If you've moved to Argentina permanently, you can update your country in your account details. Steam may require a payment method issued in your new country to confirm the change. This helps prevent abuse and keeps your account in good standing. If you run into issues, reach out to Steam support with documentation showing your residence. They'll guide you through the proper process. A few practical tips to avoid flags. Keep your browsing and checkout environment consistent. Use accurate billing information. And avoid location masking tools when signing up or making purchases. Watch for official Steam sales and publisher promotions, which are a reliable way to save money without risking your account. That's it. Thanks for watching.